Every night, as darkness settles and the world quiets, something remarkable unfolds within the human brain. Sleep, that daily surrender, is far from passive or simple. It is a complex, carefully orchestrated process, essential not only for our survival but for countless species across the animal kingdom. Despite the vulnerability that sleep brings, leaving animals and humans alike less aware of their surroundings and less able to respond to threats, almost all animals, from the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, regularly give in to slumber. This universality of sleep strongly suggests it serves vital biological purposes honed by evolution over millions of years. At its core, sleep is a dynamic dance between different regions of the brain, governed by intricate chemical signals and rhythmic patterns. The story of why we sleep begins deep within the brain, in a region called the hypothalamus. Located at the base of the brain, this structure contains a cluster of about 20,000 nerve cells known as the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN. The SCN acts as the body's master clock, keeping track of time and orchestrating the daily cycle of sleep and wakefulness. Light, detected by the eyes, travels along special pathways to the SCN, helping to synchronize this internal clock with the external day-night cycle. This synchronization is crucial. Without it, our sleep would drift out of alignment with the world around us. The SCN does not work alone. It sends signals to other parts of the brain, including the pineal gland, which releases the hormone melatonin as evening approaches. Rising melatonin levels cue the body that it is time to wind down. At the same time, the SCN communicates with various arousal centers in the brainstem and forebrain, which use neurotransmitters such as acetylcholine, norepinephrine, serotonin, and glutamate to maintain wakefulness. When it is time for sleep, other groups of neurons, some in the hypothalamus itself, release neurotransmitters like GABA, quieting arousal centers and allowing the brain to transition into sleep. Sleep is not a uniform state.